Okay, hi. Very good morning. It's Vikram Serene, Chief Architect with Mula Technologies. We are today going to go through a detailed demonstration or video for the partners, basically the developer enablement. As we know that there are many features which are offered by Service Card, and essentially everything boils down to how a partner or a developer will actually use the system. So that is where we have the partner portal, and that actually gives them all the different options in terms of what they can do with regards to the services, in terms of billing, in terms of security and all that. So I think in the previous videos also we have covered this part, but just to quick recap. So we could have different forms of partners, or different types of partners or developers which will be coming in, and they will be able to see the exposed APIs with the documentation. Then they will be able to look at the certificate as well as the API security token that is provided to them. Then they can also look at the billing, invoicing that is going to come offered to them, and also they can test the APIs from the sandbox itself. So they can do the sandbox testing within the partner dashboard. Then they can look at the graphical and archive reports. There could be multiple team members in the same partner or developer account, and then they can also do the API level key management. So that means they can actually define different keys, security keys for different APIs that are exposed to them. They can also manage the the versioning part also. So sorry, not manage, mostly use it. And then lastly, have strong authentication with regards to mobile token as well as image authentication. So okay, let's get started. So I will sign up. So the demo will be something like this. We will have the one of the partners signing up. Then the administrator will be actually doing the approval of the request. After doing that, the partner will be able to log in, and then we will also go through the strong authentication enforcement, basically either using image authentication, or it can be the mobile software token. So image authentication is by default, that means that's must have, and if the user wants, then they can opt in for the software OTP token at their side. Yeah, so let me get started. So I'm coming over here as signing up as a new partner. So I'll just quickly pick it up from here. Just give me some time. It's okay, just picking up some values. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, coming in. Sorry, I think that's kind of 192. Okay, I'm just giving a local LAN address of mine. Now this could be anything which you want. So this basically gives me the IP of my testing setup as well as from my production setup. So they could be same also, but obviously the key difference is that when we use the credentials, the checks are based differently in terms of what we use it for the test and also what we use it for the live. So pin code, then coming in, so I'll just put in my name. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I think so, that's fine. Now I'm just signing up with my Gmail account, and then I'm also picking up the uploading a zip folder. Now this upload is essentially for you to vet that the company is a valid company, and they are actually coming and opening an account with you. So I come over here, select the zip folder which will have all the like M&As, board resolution, things like that, who are the directors, what's the paid up capital, all these kind of other company related documents, and then we can do a simple upload. So once the file is uploaded, I just click on register. So this is the flow that any new partner can follow for signing up. So once this has happened, that means that this item number 2, which is the administrator is going to approve it. So meaning that now one of the new partners, Mula Technologies, have signed up. Now I'm going into the administrative portal, and I'm going to approve this particular partner. So let me just quickly have a look at the login credentials. Sorry, sysadmin, and then I'm coming over here, I'm putting in the password. Yeah. So as I've come over here, I can see that there is one new partner request. So I can quickly come in here and check which is the new partner. So it gives me a quick snapshot of what is the company as well as the individual who is signed up. Then I'm just looking at the company details. So these are the details, and then I'm going back and going for approve or reject. So approve will essentially make sure that it's enabled and it's ready for the partner to use. So I click on approve. Now over here I can assign to a particular group. Now the group concept we have already explained in the previous videos, but just to quickly summarize it, group is basically a set of partners to whom we associate access points or the transformed web services. So over here I am picking up the one which is Mulatech. So that means that the access points which are made available will be exposed to this particular partner as it belongs to Mulatech group. So this is already being done. So if I come over here, I can see the new partner listed in. Then I'm coming in and saying, so if I wanted to download, I can download the documents also. And then I can send a random password to the particular administrator of this new company that has signed up as a partner. So I'll just click over here, and then an email is going to be sent across with the password for this administrator of the new partner that has signed up. So the email is already sent out. So let me quickly check my Gmail. Let's give my personal email ID. So I'm checking in, sorry, and then that's picking up my other email ID. Okay, just going in. Yeah. So what we have done is that it's a complete faceless automated process of partner to sign up and then partner administrator to actually approve it. So over here I have got the email, and in the email I have got the password which is for me to sign in. Yeah, so I'm coming back to the partner portal. Email ID. Okay, so that will be my email ID, and then I will key in the password and then I will say login. Oops, I think I made a mistake here. Login. Yeah, it's saying authenticating. Okay, so now as you know that this particular person has come in, and the person does not have the option right now. That means they are not enabled with second factor. So second factor is enabled using two options. First is image authentication and second is mobile software OTP token. So these are the two things which you get to see up over here. And then for simplicity, I'm just going to sign up as image based authentication. So it quickly asks me what will be my passphrase. So let's say I just keep it as test me $, and then I pick up the color I want. So now the beauty of this image authentication is that the image is actually generated with two attributes. The first attribute is the text which only this particular user knows, and the second is the color. So that actually generates the unique image which is very specific to this user. Sorry, it's actually limited to the 6 characters, so that's why the last one is not taking. So I have it here, and now on top of that, with the security platform that is integrated with Service Guard, there is something what we call it as sweet spot. So let's say my sweet spot is over T, and then I come over here. So that means this is the only sweet spot that is known to me, and that is what I'm going to save and proceed with. Yeah. So over here I'm coming in. It's going ahead and I am done. Now this was a very straightforward way of making the user go into the the option of second factor authentication. So I'm coming over here and doing that. So if I click anywhere else, it will not pick me up. That means my authentication will fail and I will not log in. So in this case I am coming in here and putting the right sweet spot, and then I'm logging in. So this is quite straightforward, a simple security that we have added to ensure that when the partner comes in and logs into the dashboard, they are confident and they are they feel secure when they're coming and doing their API usage, or pay their bills and all these other kind of facilities and features that are offered in. Yeah. So just a quick recap. We have the all these different type of features that are made available, and what I have shown you just now is how quickly a partner can sign in. Administrator can come and approve it, and then after that you can issue a password, and then you can also go for second factor authentication. So I think let me log out and quickly do another login for you to see that how easy it is to log in with a simple username and password, and then followed with image authentication. Yeah. So this kind of wraps up our video for the partner login and onboarding, and it is quite been straightforward. In the next video, we'll be covering more on the billing aspect, as well as the packaging and how the billing and the usage works. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. We are going to launch a YouTube channel which is going to be dedicated for Service Guard, and you can subscribe to that and enjoy all these features that we are offering. Yeah. Thank you so much.